Hello AP Plus world travelers and culture lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to the enchanting city of Granada, a place where Moorish palaces, Spanish Renaissance cathedrals, and lively neighborhoods come together, creating one of the most unforgettable destinations in all of Spain. So let's dive into the must-see attractions in Granada. Let's begin with the most famous landmark of all, the Alhambra and the Generalife Gardens. The Alhambra is not just a palace. It's a whole world of its own. Built during the Nasrid dynasty, this sprawling complex includes the Nasrid palaces, the mighty Alcazaba fortress, the palace of Charles V, and the breathtaking Generalife Gardens. As you step inside the palaces, you'll find delicate stucco work, intricate tile patterns, and serene courtyards that reflect the brilliance of Islamic architecture. Every room feels like a story carved in stone and wood. Then, climb the Alcazaba, the oldest part of the Alhambra. From its watchtowers, you'll see sweeping views over Granada, with the Sierra Nevada mountains in the distance. Finally, don't miss the Generalife Gardens. This summer retreat is filled with flowing fountains, shaded walkways, and colorful flowers, a peaceful escape from the bustle of the city. The Alhambra is truly Granada's crown jewel. But remember, tickets sell out quickly, so plan ahead and book in advance. From the grandeur of the Alhambra, we now step into the old Moorish quarter, the Albaicín. This neighborhood is like stepping back in time. Narrow cobbled streets twist and turn, whitewashed houses with flower-filled balconies line the alleys, and little plazas open up with charming cafes and shops. The Albaicín is not just about beauty, it's about atmosphere. You'll feel the history of Granada with every step you take. Make your way to the Mirador de San Nicolás, a famous viewpoint that offers a picture-perfect view of the Alhambra, glowing under the evening light, with the Sierra Nevada mountains rising in the background. At sunset, this spot becomes magical, and it's easy to see why so many travelers fall in love with Granada right here. From Albaicín, let's move to the hillside neighborhood of Sacromonte. This area has a unique identity, known for its cave houses and flamenco traditions. Sacromonte also rewards you with some of the best views of the city, especially if you climb higher toward the hills. Now let's return to the heart of the city. Here stands the Granada Cathedral, a masterpiece of Spanish Renaissance architecture. Its grand facade and soaring interior reflect the power of Spain's golden age. Inside, you'll find towering columns, elaborate chapels, and artwork that captures centuries of devotion and artistry. Right next to the cathedral is the Royal Chapel of Granada. This is one of the most important historical sites in Spain because it holds the tombs of Queen Isabella I and King Ferdinand II, the Catholic monarchs who united Spain and funded Christopher Columbus's voyage to the New World. Standing here feels like stepping directly into a chapter of history. After exploring the bustling center, take a moment to explore the Alcaicería Market. Once the heart of Granada's ancient silk trade, this Moorish-style bazaar is a living reminder of the city's Arabic past. It's a maze of narrow alleys filled with color and life, where stalls display hand-painted ceramics, lanterns, scarves, spices, and delicate crafts. And the voices of friendly shopkeepers echo through the passageways. It's a vibrant yet peaceful place, perfect for getting lost in Granada's history and finding a unique souvenir to remember your journey. Finally, let's end our journey with a climb up to the Ermita de San Miguel Alto. This small hermitage sits on a hill above Sacromonte, and it rewards you with one of the best panoramic views in Granada. From here, you can see the Alhambra, the Albaicín, the cathedral, and the whole city stretching into the distance. At sunset, the sky turns golden, the Alhambra glows, and the lights of Granada start to twinkle below you. It's the perfect ending to a day in this magical city. So, there you have it, the must-see attractions in Granada. From the majestic Alhambra to the winding streets of Albaicín, the grandeur of the cathedral and royal chapel, and the breathtaking views from San Miguel Alto, Granada is a city that captures your heart and stays with you forever. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share this video with your travel-loving friends. Until next time, keep exploring and see you on the next journey with AP+.